Now, in this video, we're going to show you how electricity comes from outside and goes inside our caravan, and how we connect everything the right way. Next, when we travel to different places and sometimes land in spots where there's absolutely no power, we'll show you how to start the generator and hook it up to the caravan. After that, we'll see how the solar panels charge the batteries, and overall, we'll walk through the complete electrical circuit of the caravan. So come on, let's check it out.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Madurai Couple in USA, English. How's everyone doing? Hope you're all doing great by God's grace. Today, we're going to talk about the electrical system in a caravan/RV. In the last few videos we covered different systems one by one, and you all watched them fully and really enjoyed them. Thank you so much for that. We hope you enjoy this video too. In today's video, we're going to cover everything related to electricity, how the electrical system connects to our caravan, how it connects to our vehicle, and basically how electrical connections work in all caravan vehicles. Everything is explained clearly and in detail. If you look at our caravan, it comes with 2 batteries. Both of these batteries are inside the vehicle. One battery is for the engine, and the other one is for home use. Home appliances like the fridge, fan, lights, and water pump run on the home battery. The engine starts using the engine battery. With a separate switch, you can even swap their functions. These batteries get charged nicely by the solar panels installed on top of the caravan. Once they're charged, we get full power, bright lighting, and everything feels very comfortable inside. After that, we can also take electricity directly from an outside source and connect it to the caravan. That outside power is used for things like the air conditioner, electric water heater, and microwave. With that power we can run everything easily. At the same time, the batteries also get charged through the outside power using a converter. In all RV parks, you'll see an external electrical pole set up. Here we mostly use 110 volts. In India, it's 240 volts. Now imagine we're going to the beach, or maybe deep into a forest area, and there's heavy rain or bad weather, and suddenly the power goes out. No electricity at all. In a forest area, what do we do then? You know how cold it gets here. When it's cold, there's ice everywhere, and without heat inside, we literally can't do anything. That's when this caravan really saves us, because we have a generator built right into it. When we use that generator, we can run everything. The AC, water heater, microwave, and heater. All of it works perfectly. Otherwise, especially in America, if there's no heat, the cold gets so bad that your whole body feels frozen, and you can't even sleep. So having a generator inside the caravan is super comfortable and very useful. About all of this, my husband will explain everything clearly, step by step, in detail. Thank you so much. Just like the previous video, please watch this one fully and enjoy it. Thank you.
First, we take out the electrical cable that's stored inside the bus. Next, this is the electrical box. We take that cable and connect it to this box. What you're seeing now is the electrical box. In this box, they provide 3 amp options, 50 amps, 30 amps, and 15 amps. For each one, there are matching sockets and plugs. Our RV/caravan runs on a 30 amp circuit, so we're going to connect it to the 30 amp outlet. This here is the surge protector. Before connecting anything, we need to check if there are any electrical problems. This surge protector shows everything. If 2 green lights turn on, that means the electrical connection is correct. If there's an open wire, a short circuit, or any other issue, different codes will show up clearly on the box. First, you switch off the 30 amp outlet, plug in the surge protector, and then switch it back on. As soon as you turn it on, the indicator lights will show the code. Now you can see 2 green lights glowing, which means everything is perfect. There's no problem with the electrical circuit. Sometimes, the outside power supply itself can have issues. If you connect faulty power directly to your RV, it can damage the entire electrical system inside. Now we take the electrical cable that comes with the RV, it's already connected to the RV's electrical system, and plug it into this box. Before doing that, we switch the power off, connect the cable, and then switch it back on. Before turning it on fully, we make sure the AC and other appliances inside are turned off, so there's no sudden load on the system. Once we turn it on, the electrical system is connected, and the RV is fully powered. In every RV park, you'll find a pole like this with 50 amp and 30 amp options, and you connect based on your RV's requirements. When you close this footstep door, the step stays outside. But when you're driving, it can hit something. That's why there's a switch here. If you turn this switch on, the footstep will automatically go inside when you close the door. When you open the door, it comes back out. But when you're parked, it can get annoying if it keeps going in and out, so there's a switch to control it. Now we're setting up the awning. We should always do this after leveling the caravan properly. Otherwise, it can get stuck. Is everything okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. That's it. This is our sitting area. Take a video of this area.
Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Madurai Couple in USA, English. Also, click the bell icon so you'll get our videos instantly whenever we upload. Thank you and see you again.